Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Charmina Zaleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about inserting tables using your Microsoft Word application. Today, for you to be able to insert a table, we're going to use the Insert tab. Select the Insert tab, and after selecting the Insert tab, a group of menus will appear on your ribbon. Specifically, you are going to look for the tables command. You're just going to select the drop-down arrow here. Now, as you can see here, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. These are the different options that you can use to insert a table on your document area. Okay, as you can see here, there are already default layout for you to be able to use to insert a table that you want to use on your document area. You can just select or highlight certain number of rows and columns here for you to be able to use it on your document. For example, you want to apply a 2 rows and a 2 column. You're just going to select or highlight 2 boxes here at the top part and 2 boxes at the bottom part to indicate that you have already inserted a column and a row. You will see it directly on your document area on how many column and how many rows is inserted on your document area. Now, if you do not want, okay, or you want to insert your own number of column and rows, you're just going to select the insert table command. After selecting the insert table command, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. And here inside the menu, you can now enter your desired column and rows for your table. For example, you're going to enter 8 columns and 10 rows. You're just going to enter the data that you needed. After entering the data, you're just going to select the OK button. After selecting the OK button, as you can see here, it was already inserted the number of tables that we have entered inside the pop-up menu using the insert table command is already here or attached here on our document area. Now, as you can see here, another tab has popped up on our groups of tab. These two tabs are the two table tools that you can use to design the tables or the layout of your table. For example, here on your table design tab, you can use the different types of styles for the table that you have inserted. For example, these styles of the tables that are available, you can use it to design or change the layout of your table. For example, you want to change the layout of your table into this type of layout. You're just going to select the desired layout for your table and it will be automatically applied on the table that you have inserted. And if you also want to change the size of your table, you're just going to select the command here, okay? You're just going to point out your mouse at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see an icon which can help you to resize the size of your table. You're just going to drag it down for you to be able to make it more larger or visible on your document area. Now, you can even use the layout tab for you to be able to change the desired layout of your table. All you need to do is to select the layout tab. After selecting the layout tab, you can see here the different tools that you can use to edit your table. For example, okay, let me change the layout first for us to be able to see the lines in between the rows and the columns of our table. Okay, let me use a visible layout. Okay, let's use this type of layout. If we want to split or we want to delete one certain cell on our table, all you need to do is to highlight the cell that you want to delete on your table. After highlighting the cell, you're just going to select this delete command. After selecting the drop-down arrow here in the delete command, there will be an option for you If you want to delete the entire table or the rows, column, or a certain number of cells, for us, we're just going to delete the first cell in our table. We're just going to select delete cell. As you can see here, there will be a movement inside our table, okay? It will move either in left, up, row, or in column, okay? If you want to move your cell, the deleted cell, on the left side area of your table, you're just going to select Shift Cells Left. You're just going to select OK for you to be able to apply the deleted cell. As you can see here, this empty space, okay, there is an empty space on the first row of our table. It only means that we already deleted the first cell in our first row, okay. That is how you are going to delete one certain cell on your table. Now, if you want to add another row or another column on your cell, all you need to do is to highlight the last row of your table. After highlighting the last row of your table, you're just going to select it's either insert above or insert below. Okay? For you to be able to insert another row, you're just going to select insert below. As you can see here, another row of table was inserted on our table. Okay? Now, if you want to add another column on your table, just like what we have done in adding a row, we're just going to highlight. It depends on you in which part of your table you're going to insert another column or another row on your table. For this one, we're going to insert another column on the first part of our table. Okay, let's highlight the first column of the table, and we're going to choose either insert to the left or insert to the right. Okay, for me, I'm going to select insert to the right. As you can see here, another row was inserted on our table. That is how you are going to insert a row and a column on your table. Now, okay? We can even split or merge certain cell on our table. All you need to do is to select or to highlight the cell. Okay, you need to highlight the cell that you're going to merge as one. After highlighting the cell that you want to merge, you're just going to select Merge Cell. As you can see here, the line in between the cells is gone. That is how you are going to merge cells on your table using Microsoft Word application. We are going to discuss more about editing or formatting the tables using the Microsoft Word application in our virtual class. If you have any questions regarding our lesson for today, don't hesitate to message me in our LMS. Once again, this is teacher Charmaine Azaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.